Breakfast is served. We're gonna go pound of eggs, turkey, a little bit of sausage. Let's see if I can do this. Got our scale right here. Not make a mess. Okay. She's on there. 1 pound, 1 ounce. 0.5. Now that's breakfast. One person. Get your protein on. Stay fit. Always think about what you're eating. Get healthy. Get real. Get buff. Get crazy. Eat a pound of eggs and turkey and sausage and cheese and onion. That's where it's at. Gotta get pumped. Like Arnold said, it's all about the pump. Get that pump. Starting with this. Alright, y'all. Till next time.